Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel a withdrawal request on 1xBet. To achieve this, it's quite simple. Before we continue, I will advise you to create a professional 1xBet account. To achieve this, you go to registration, choose a registration method of your choice by phone, fill in your informations, then at the level of promo code, type Chelsea TV. This promo code gives you a 300% bonus at your first recharge, which implies that if you put in 10,000, you get 40,000. First, all you have to do is go to your menu. Then, since there's no option for canceling of withdrawal requests on 1xBet, you're going to scroll down and go to support. Then you're going to choose one of the many possibilities for you to chat with the operator. In this case, I'll just chat with operator. So once you're in this interface, you're going to write a message telling the operator you want to cancel a withdrawal request you've made. That was all for this video.